How to open a Banco Sabadell account. To open a Banco Sabadell account, simply make sure to launch the Banco Sabadell application on your device. This is the default interface you will see. Tap on the three lines icon, which is located towards the top left of the screen, and from the top left again you'll find an option called Account for every moment of your life. There are various types of accounts that you can choose from. I will let the decision up to you, and I will just choose the first account, which is the basic account over here. You will see all the requisites that you will need in order to open that account, and you can select open your account without conditions as well if you wish to. Then just tap on the open your account button. It's going to take you to the next page where you can ask for an appointment, and it's just a click away. You can ask for a private customer, but if not, then you can select open a Sabadell account online. Select that particular option. On the next particular page, you'll be able to fill out a form. So what you can do is right here you can see all these different options, but just tap on this option called Become a Customer option from the very bottom. When you tap on the Become a Customer option, Sabadell will give you a form. You have to meet these requirements over here. As a Spanish citizen, you must live and pay taxes in Spain, you are over 18 years of age, you have not held positions of public responsibility in the last 2 years, just depending upon various types of accounts that you're choosing from, and make sure you have your legal documents with you, access to your network, and your own device with a camera with no software from a suspect source installed in it. Then tap on I fulfill everything. And when you've done that, make sure to fill out the form. Whether you're a single account holder, two account holder, tap the start button, after which everything is pretty self-explanatory and you'll be able to start creating your Banco Sabadell account by using these information over here. So hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.